Absolutely, me. In Python, you can use the continue statement to skip iterations within a loop. If you want to add to an index in a range to skip certain iterations, you can use an statement to check the
Are we
condition and then use
streaming?
continue to skip the current iteration.
We
Here's an
are
example.
streaming.
Python for num in
How's
range.
this? Can we hear
10
music?
is
Oh,
num
snaps! I gotta
equals
change
3 or num equals 7.
my.
Continue print. Num
I wonder if I should switch my
in this.
setup up. Oh, there's the waifu. I wonder if I should change my setup to go to a single computer setup. I wonder if that'll be easier. I don't know. Not yet. Not yet, anyway. Okay. So I got this wizard spells pack, and we're gonna check it out. Basically, what else did I buy? I bought something else. I bought something else. I did. Someone sent me a message? Oh no. Anyways, I should set up my thing again. I'll play an ad real quick. I move this a little bit. How's that look? A little bit better. Now we're in there. Let me see. Let me set up my stream deck a little bit. Let's add the Twitch stuff. Should I have a Twitch profile? Let's just call this one Twitch. Application? When the Stream Deck app window is closed and the following application is in the foreground. Okay. Interesting. Add an account. Is that a Twitch account? Change the Stream Deck. Here we go. Simul shift. Look at that. Affiliate. Damn. We're moving up in life. We're moving up in life. Alright, how do I set this up again? Plugins? I don't have any plugins, huh? I gotta install plugins again. Why can't I just get my profile? Sign in? El Gato. Aviato. That's not me. Let's try again. Let's try again with this. Aviato. El Gato. Oh shit, this line is going hard now. El Gato. EPU. Logged in. All right, let's check it out. See. I don't have any of my shit here. Damn. Okay, let's just, do I have anything? I don't got anything. I thought it would sync up. Alright, I'm just gonna download the Twitch one. So basically, there's a Twitch plugin. OBS tools. Interesting. Stream Deck profile for Spotify. Oh, they got like cool profiles. This profile features a delightful... Oh, hell yeah. Honestly though? What? No way. This looks actually pretty fun. No way. Get. How do I get it? I just pressed the button. What did it do? Download. What am I supposed to do? I'm gonna open it. Oh shit, okay. It did, do I have a pet now? I don't get it. Oh, it's only on my Stream Deck? That's lame. I thought it would be... I thought it would be on the screen. If you guys don't know what I'm doing, I'm playing with this thing. I'm trying to get a better profile on here. It's like, it has buttons. It's supposed to be for streaming, but I can't even connect it to OBS because the computer that's streaming OBS is a different computer. So I gotta find something else that's more useless on it. Okay, I think I'm just gonna put the Twitch profile because that's the most useful for my situation. There's a Twitch one somewhere. Twitch plugins. Twitch tools. Twitch Studio. Control Twitch Studio. Wow. That's interesting. I think... Wow, wait. What? Why are there so many? Play ad? I think this one is better. Okay. I was using the other one before, but... This looks more interesting. Okay. I'm gonna just like drag a bunch of stuff. Let me delete that. Let's drag that. Clear chat. I don't want to clear chat ever. I don't want to put a followers chat ever, usually. I don't want to put emote chat ever. I might have to play an ad. I'm sorry, guys. But not right now. We still got, let me see. We got 12 minutes before the next roll off. Okay. Viewers? That'd be cool. Create clip. That's nice, actually. How does that work? Let me press it. What happened? I'm pressing that. Oh wait, okay, it did something. Only works when you're live. Did I create a clip? Well, we'll find out later, I guess. Create stream marker. That's actually kind of useful too. That one. My stream markers have been broken. I have to figure out what happened there. Text. Sub chat. Create clip. Shield mode. Open last clip. I don't know what shield mode is. And I think that's it. I don't need anything. Alright. Let's go back to what we were doing. What is this? Dollar bills, y'all. Dollar bills. Alright, I wanted to play with this spells pack I bought. I'm looking for like a fireball specifically. Ooh, there we go. Something like that. Let me see if I can find one that's really simple, because I don't want to like stoop up the wizard, the normal wizard. You gotta like you can't just give him like the best spells right off the bat, you know what I'm saying? You gotta have like at least a little bit of foreplay in there or something. There's cool stuff in here, but I'll have to look in the other one. There's another spells pack. I bought 2 of them on Cyber Week because, you know what? It's either that or something else. Either that or something else. See, where my assets go? My assets. Okay, there's this one. And I think... Wait, what'd I click on? I think there's just a simple enough fireball thing going on. Here it is. Whoa, that one's a little crazy, but maybe I can scale it down. I thought there was. Let me see. Oh, these are pretty epic. Huh, where did I see it then? All in one? What is this? Oh, sprite shader, that's cool. That's definitely cool. I'm glad I got that one. Hey X-Men, how's it going? What is good? What you up to? I might... Let me see. This one has a lot more stuff. I think I can use this. This looks usable. What is this one called? So this one's in the spells pack. Okay. Let's go ahead and look it up in Unity. Let's see. Where did I download it to? Spells pack. Doesn't look like I imported it yet. I'll just check Git real quick. Oh, I did import a bunch of stuff. 52 special effect pack. No, that's not the one, is it? Untracked files. Okay, let's do added wizard pack. Go ahead, and I'm going ahead and commit that to the repo real quick. I upgraded my font format, added some small features, compressed it from 400 kilobytes to 90 kilobytes. Hey, that's pretty good. Considering if I should compress it further or leave it be. Just depends how long it takes to unzip the compressed files. If the CPU is up for the job, compress it more, my friend. As long as it doesn't get too slow. At work, we do have a problem with, like, currently we have to figure out how to make our Unity project less big. And we're working on it. Working on improving it. Being smart with compression is a big one. Damn, this is taking a second. So while that's doing stuff, I am going to look at what I imported. Damn, this song is going hard right off the bat. Let's see. Hovel? Is it this one? Magic Effects Pack. Flash. Trail. These are textures. Let me go to the prefabs. Hits and explosions. Yes, sir. Puff hit. Oh yeah. Loving it. Magic Effects Pack. I wonder what that one was. I don't even see it. Can I search? Magic. Stylized elements. Here it is. Let me take a look. Maybe this is where I saw the... Oh, I remember this one. This is not the one, but I remember it. This is the one I'm trying to get in. Oh, this is the same company. I didn't know that. Wizard Spells Pack. Okay. Is there a Wizard Spells Pack in here? Here it is. Okay, cool. Prefabs. Front attack. Projectiles. Let's see. Simul doing his Unity, you know it. That's right. That is right. Where's the animation? I don't see it. Huh. No errors. Lightning data? Did Unity... okay, it pushed everything successfully. But, I want to see something. Ooh. Kinda cool. But I still want to see... I want to see, like... Where's that fireball? That's all I need. That's all I need. Wizard Spells Pack. It's gotta be in this one. Front attack. How do you use this stuff? Ground skill? Guess I have to figure out how to use this script. Sakura cast. Seeing it was baked for was not serialized. Please use generate lightning to rebuild the lightning data. Okay. Flash. Some of these just aren't working, I guess, like this one. Lightning data is incompatible with the current Unity version because the scene it was baked for was not serialized. Please use generate lightning to rebuild the lightning or assign the target scene to the lightning data. Something wasn't baking correctly. Let's go to the demo scene. Maybe that's the issue. You have a character in here? I'm good. Let's open that up. Okay. It's time. I gotta play an ad real quick so I can get these pre-rolled. Bear with me. Thank you guys. Alright, let's see if we can figure some stuff out. Am I able to move? Let's just play the game, I guess. I can actually play this game. That's awesome. Okay, let's see. 1. Holy crap. That's pretty crazy. How do I stop? RM cancel skill. Right mouse. I think. There we go. Look at that, dude. That is epic. Left mouse? Left mouse. I don't know if I'm doing that right. Oh, here we go. Bam, 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 bam. What's 4 do? Hey, that's crazy. I just want to do a fireball. Ice rain, lightning, electro orb. Projectile. There's got to be a way to play this. Let's see. Maybe I'm missing it somewhere. Okay, I think I'm gonna import the other one. That's the one with the... That's this one. But I did see like a fireball thing in here, so... That's the one. What is... I gotta figure out what that one's called. Okay. Maybe there's another scene. Spell variation. Play this one. Damn. Let me see what's in this scene so I can see. Okay, if I go into projectiles and I add this thing, what does that do? What about this one? Okay. If I turn it off? Oh, whoa. It's like a triangle mesh thing. Here's a script. Hit target. Okay. Player none. Temporary explosion. Time cap. Electro orb. Okay. This one doesn't really do anything. Lighting has been disabled in at least one scene. View any changes applied to lights in this scene will not be updated. Okay, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna restart Unity and I'm gonna look at that error real quick. I'm not gonna save anything. I might, if I go into here, fantasy staff, scripts, faders, textures, okay. Wizard spell pack. Maybe it's in the staff thing. No, it's gotta be in the wizard spell pack. Alright, let's open it back up. A lot of cool stuff in here. But I'm looking for that explosion specifically. The error's gone, so that's a good sign. Alright. There's lightning. There's projectiles. It's gotta be one of these. Demo scene files, lightning. A lot of lightning effects. Accidentally changed some stuff, so I'm just gonna revert. Let's play this scene again. Maybe they just didn't include that fire spell by accident. Oh wait, hold up. This is it. It's gotta be this one. Okay. I just gotta figure out how this one works. Let me play it. Start. Round hit. Fire burst. It's really hard to be. What about Spike? Oh, there's a bunch in here. I guess that's how it's working. They kind of lumped all the animations into a prefab, and I have to choose the right one. Okay. Yeah, it's gotta be one of these. That's cool. Fire. Not quite. Wait a minute, they all look the same. Oh, they look a little bit different. Shockwave. Freighter. Don't they all look kind of the same? Bam. Let's go to that fire one. I swear this is just the same thing. I think I have to... Maybe... Okay, let's go to the ground hit. Spike spawner, spike skill. Spike 2. Play. Okay, that is a spike. Round explosion. These are weapons. Alright. Lightning effects. Yeah, I don't think the fire thing's in here, so I'm gonna have to do this temporary explosion. No. Sword air attack. Gotta be these projectiles. Is it playing? Stop. There's something scuffed about this one. Pretty sure it should have been in the projectile, I think. But I think I'm just going to... I'm gonna download another pack. Go to the package manager. We got another one to try out. Magic effects. Let's see. We got the spells pack. So let's see if we can make sure. Was it by Zakan? There's also this spell book. That's a spell book. So that's just icons. Do all of them. 49 of 55. Load. Here we go. Alright, let's get that one. There it is. Damn you, Discord. Go away. Advent of Code starts like in an hour or something? I think so. Right. Of course it's a ginormous pack. Guess we'll just look at the effects until it finishes downloading. It's hard to find simple stuff just because... Oh, there we go. What I'm looking for is just... It's just a single one of these guys. So maybe this one can deliver. Feeling good about this one. Oh, here we go. Something like that. Something like that. Something like that. Figure out when Advent of Code starts. It looks like we still got about 2 hours. Alright, 2 hours to knock some out. Knock some Uni stuff in. Out, in. Nice effects and good updates. They're still doing like the deal stuff. Guess it's Cyber Week, Cyber Monday. In the meantime, I'm gonna look at the scripts here that they're using to cast these spells. Seems interesting. Character controller. Movement input. Target. I guess I'll just look in this script. I need to see how they're casting stuff. I need to see how they're deploying the animation. Right, we got the, here we go, we got the keybinds. So this casting equals true. Start coroutine precast. There's like a state machine. I wish there was a more functional programming in these packages. It's just easier to read. Look at precast. Prefab cast effect. What's this? There's like a serialized field. Let's check it out. Element 4. So these where the spells go. Okay. Go ahead and see if the other one's finished. It looks like it's done. Let's import that. Let's import that bad boy. Yeah, looks like that's gonna take a second. Okay, let's keep looking. See if I can digest this script in the next 5 minutes. Firepoint, prefabs cast, number 8, projectile. Warning, the Uni package manager has dependencies. The Uni package has package manager dependencies. Okay, we'll just install it. Okay, let's go ahead and import. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Oh man, starting all over again? Yup. Alright, time to play roll and add while this stuff is loading. I'll see you guys in a minute. Maybe, is this gonna do a minute and a half? I think I just did a minute. I gotta change the title to second problem. Okay. Did we import that? I think we imported it. Spells pack. Articles. Projectiles. Casting. There's definitely a lot more stuff in here. Nice. Look at the spells. That's definitely gonna blow everybody up. Oh, here we go. I wonder if I can modify this one to so I get single one of these guys. That one's crazy. Okay, hold up. Before I mess with everything a little too much, I'm going to import this spell pack so I can see if when I accidentally make any changes. Let's go ahead and do that. Okay, let's just do importing spells pack. I hope Git doesn't get mad at me for uploading ginormous files. I'm gonna move my microphone down a little bit. There we go. Writing objects. What happened here? Okay, let's keep looking. I think I can use this fire projectile. That one looks simple enough. Okay, let's hopefully find a scene in here. Demo. See what happens. We're gonna play this scene. I have no idea what's gonna happen. Alright. Casting fire. Oh, hey. There you go. How'd that happen? That's exactly what I want, actually. Okay, let's figure out how it does that. And hopefully I can utilize that easily enough. Well.
Hello?
Okay. Time to reverse engineer whatever's happening over here. Find that script. Wherever it's at. Demo script, here we go. Projectile selection. Okay, we got a spell list and a casting list. Okay, let's get this fire. Casting fire. Let's just look at the script. Dang it, they're just using the update function a whole lot. Damn, dude. They love massive state machines. This makes it really complicated. I gotta look for the casting block back. Next. Spells, projectiles, aura, shields, variations, buffs, tome, blah. Okay. It's gotta be in the casting spell section. Projectiles. This is a projectile, right? Yeah. Okay. What happened here? Give me... Let's just do that. Alright, projectiles last. And casting selection set active true. Something is causing the cast animation to happen. Something. I gotta figure that out real quick. Set active. Or group set active. Okay. This is just setting a bunch of game objects active. It's not really... It's not really activating the animation. So that's probably happening... It's either happening in here or the update function. No usage of next found. This is a Unity event. What the heck? Hold up. What is the next Unity event? Is that a Unity event? That's, yeah, I never seen this, and there's no usages, which is kind of weird. Oh, wait a second. It's a callback on the UI button. Right? Let me look. You see, yeah, that, okay, yeah. That's exactly what it is, okay. Now let's look in the update function. Damn, dude, look at that giant state machine. Set active. It doesn't look like anything is happening besides setting the game object active. I would expect that there would be some sort of directional casting code that makes stuff happen. Maybe it's set in the prefab. We can do a quick test, I guess. If I go into like any of these game objects that I turned off and I just turn it on, okay, it just starts playing it. The animation just happens on a loop, I guess. And okay, bing. Okay, well, if that's the case, that might even make it. Oh, there's a script attached to this. Invoke, repeating, create. What's that? I think that's what's happening. Just gonna ask ChatGPT real quick. This is firing a fireball animation. Oh shit, that's not what I wanted to paste. Ugh, let's try again. How do I copy stuff? Control C didn't work. Okay, let's try this. I think Vim is scuffing up the Control C. So let me go. And go find Vim. Let's go find Control C. Let's turn this, convert this to the IDE. And then we're gonna do the same. We can't do that with the Control V though, because Control V is special mode in Vim that I need. Okay, that's good enough. Now Control C should work. Theoretically. Okay. This script is casting a fireball in Unity. What is the invoke repeat function? I need to learn. Once I figure out how this works, I think we're in the money. Invoke repeating function in Unity is a useful method for scheduling repeated calls to a specific function at regular intervals in your script. Invoke repeating is used to repeatedly call the create function, which is responsible for creating instances of the fireball projectile. So it's calling this function. That is interesting. Cannot find declaration. On project files detected. I gotta restart Unity, I guess. Let me go ahead and restart Unity, because it doesn't see those scripts yet, so it's the IDE isn't helping me out. But I need to see the implementation of this function. I just restart everything. Where'd Unity go? Disappeared on me. All right. Now let's open up this thing. Let's go to go back to here. Let's go open up this guy again. Hopefully there's there we go. Now we got the syntax highlighting. That's a good sign. Oh man, I'm being attacked by my IDE. Okay. That's a good sign. Here we go. It's in the mono behavior. Oh, this is a Unity function. This is such a weird way to call a function. You just put the string of the name of the function and it just calls it. What if you have different functions with the same name? Mark the method name in time seconds and repeatedly every repeat rate seconds method name. Perhaps. Can you be able to like give it arguments? If this had arguments? I don't know. But it looks like all it's doing is instantiating a fireball. We got a position rotation, and I guess once it gets instantiated, it just fires off into freedom or something. Okay. I think we can try to apply this to our game that we got. Because this is just a demo scene. So, let's go to... Let's see. I want it to fire when a player plays their card, the fireball card. Okay, so... Maybe I can bust out the code real quickly. Let me go to the card and maybe go to attack card. On execute card action, attack. So if the card is a fireball card, then we're gonna create a fireball. I do need a reference. It looks like I need a reference to that fireball. Let me see. Casting fire, okay. Go find that prefab. Alright, it's right here. I might create a dictionary of spells to help me out. That's usually what I like to do, and I usually use a scriptable object to do that. It's really cool. It's a really nice and neat way of organizing a bunch of prefabs like that. Okay, let's see. Let's go ahead and create... Let's look at my scriptable cards real quick, or objects, and see if I can reuse anything. I got board materials and I got card master. So I got a fireball. I don't think I'm using that one. Okay, I'm gonna do a spell master. So let's do a scriptable object. Let us create a new scriptable object. I don't even think there is a... I'm just going to do a C# script. Let's do scriptable... I'm just going to call it the spell master. Spellmaster.ts. Alright, let's get rid of that. Let's do scriptable object. Whoa, I don't got the Vim shortcuts. Okay, here we go. I get an auto format. Oh man, I don't like these braces this way. Let's change that real quick. Let's go to code style. Let's go C#. Let's go to syntax style. I'm gonna change, oh, the braces layout. Here we go. I'm gonna change all of this to at next line, at end of line. Right now it's KNR style. Don't want that. Wait a second. Isn't that what I want? Maybe. Hold up. Let me format. File code format. Okay, that worked. Wait a second. What was the hotkey for that? Alt Shift F. If I do something funky like, let me mess up the formatting. Okay, let's do Alt Shift F. Oh damn, I'm dumb. Okay, yeah, that's been working the whole time. Okay, I'm gonna add a dictionary here. Whoa, what is Copilot telling me? Start is called. Whoa. Let's do dictionary that holds all the spells. And we're gonna make a serializable dictionary real quick. Unless I already got one. Serializable. I want a, let me think about this. I want an enum. I gotta make an enum first. Where would I even put that enum? Can I define enums in scriptable objects? Let's find out. You know what? I really should define the enum in a protobuf file. If I want it to scale. Okay, let's make a protobuf file. And go to the back end. The back end has the protobuf definitions. Sit over here, okay. I got a deck room. I might want to do an attack proto file. Probably a good idea. Let's do that. Do new file. Do attack.proto. Then, okay, let's just copy the header. We need this stuff. Tags package attack. And pack. And we're gonna define an enum. Here we go. That's a starting point. I think we'll do something like Fireball 1. Maybe even like Fire spell. And why not? Sure. So this is a protobuf file, and the reason I'm defining the enum in here instead of Unity or C# or Golang is because anything I define in these protobuf files will be shared by the back end and the front end. And that means I won't have to define this enum in more than one place if I need to reference it. Which means the back end and the front end can communicate really easily. So that's why I'm using protobufs. Protobufs are kind of awesome. Hey K-Moaz, how's it going? What is happening? Welcome to the stream. I'm just working on my video game. Enjoy the stream, enjoy the stream. Okay, let's go ahead and try that out. I'm working on a little tactical board game. Doing well, stressing the fuck out over my own projects. That's good. That's good. I think caring about your projects is something that you should be caring about. But yeah, I'll show you what I'm working on just in a sec. Let me compile these protobufs. I haven't compiled protobufs on this computer. I hope this works. Let's try Python. Let me see if I even have Python installed. Because I have a Python script that I made to compile stuff. Okay. Python protalk. And then we'll do all. So we just compile all of them. Okay. Alright. Now, I should have... The next thing I figure out is... Oh no, I don't think... Okay, no, yeah, I don't need to define the enum anymore. Because I'm using protobuf. Okay. So let's go back to the front end. And then... If that worked out, I should have that enum that I defined in this C# script. So let's do serializable. I gotta do this because like dictionaries in Unity are not serializable by default, which is kind of dumb. So you gotta make them serializable yourself by doing something a little fancy. So let's get that spell. Fire spell. Hold up. Fire spell. Okay. Do I have an import to that? Okay, let's see what's going on here. Did that work out that easily? Okay, we're in business. We got the enum. Okay, cool. Do you do Unity stuff, K-Mouse? Otherwise, you might have no idea what's going on. Which is fine, I guess. Over here, we're just gonna do a game object. It's gonna hold the prefabs. Let's call this fire spells dictionary. Just Kmo? Gotcha. Mostly Unity dev, but working on Unreal ATM. Oh, cool. Yeah, I mostly do Unity dev myself. I do Unity stuff for work anyway. We're not using Unreal Engine at work anywhere. Let's see. Okay, we got the spell master. Let's create an instance of that dictionary that we just defined. Serialize, or like, let's do fire spells dictionary. And then I gotta do one more thing if I want it to be available in the inspector, so dictionary drawer. Alright. Fire spells dictionary. Almost done. Almost done. Let's make sure this is serializable. It's gotta be serializable by default. Okay. So The reason I did all that was because now I can create that scriptable object. I should, unless I need a... I guess it's not gonna be available in here. Let me look at an example of another scriptable object I got. Scriptable card. I forgot this header thing. Yeah, okay. This is gonna let me actually create it with the right click. It's gotta be up here. With the right click. Unity stuff. Order, I guess 1. And we're gonna do spells. Fire spells. Gotta go to space. Okay. Now, come on, spells. There we go. Fire spells scriptable object. Nice. Okay, cool. So now we got a cool little dictionary here, and I can add my fireballs into this dictionary. Let's do casting fire. Do the first one. Let's just add all the casting fire ones. Got fireball 2. Add another one. Get 3 in there. I think there's only 3, so let's just leave it at 3. Alright. Now, I can go to my attack script, if I can find it. Attack card. And I'm just going to put a reference to that scriptable object I made. So let's go ahead and do scriptable, or I think it's just fire spells. Oh no, wait, I called it the spell master. Okay, we got a spell master in the house. Okay, and then I have to... Oh, the annoying thing is I'm gonna have to update this on all my card prefabs. I have to update the reference. Unless I can, like, dynamically yank it in. I don't want to deal with paths right now. Let's go ahead and find my card prefabs. Prefabs, card. Okay. Go to Firebolt. And it's looking... It should look for that spell thing. So let's add the Spellmaster into here. Okay. We should have a reference. Then, now with that reference, real quick, on execute card action, we can do something like... I'm just gonna see if this works. So all I'm gonna do is just instantiate. Let's go ahead and instantiate it, see what the heck happens in the game. Let's see, what is that? Game object dot instantiate. We're gonna do fire spells dot supposed to be that dictionary in here. There it is. Oh, okay. We gotta like do the dictionary stuff. So we'll do Fireball 1. Okay. So every time we play a card now, it's just going to create a fireball. Let's see how that goes. Are you ready, Kamo? For random fireballs. Now we can finally go to the gameplay. I'll show you what that looks like. Let's go to the scene, the first screen. Let's make sure the back end's running. Yep, okay. Go log in. Where did my like scene thing go? I had like a scene thing. Let me pull that up real quick. It's really handy. Scene. Not in here. Somewhere. Where the heck is it? Okay. Well, we'll find it. Let's just go to the login scene. I have like a little window tool to switch scenes, but it's not important. All right, this is my username. My Bobo. My password's 123. Don't log into my account. Let's join a game. This is like the waiting room. You can like chat while you're waiting for the people to join the game. LOL. Shit. Okay, and this is the game. It's like a board game. So basically you just play cards and then you end your turn over here. Then the other player does stuff and they try to kill each other. So I got this fireball script now. Something some of the tile highlighting is a little weird right now. Okay, let's see. If I play that, I don't have any valid targets. Okay, I gotta move up a little bit. Let's move up. And then in my turn, let's just move these guys up so they're close to each other. Then can I attack? No, something broke. All right, let's look at the console. Wow, I don't have any errors. Huh. So then, oh wait, this is. Okay. Let's move the knight. I think the knight's gonna work. The knight is gonna do some hacky stuff. Okay. I can't attack him? Oh man. Well, time to debug, I guess. Oh, I can attack that. I got a reference exception. Okay, that's not. It's because I got it. Okay. Let's fix the code up a little bit, I guess. Let's make sure this only activates if it's a fire, if it's a spell attack. I probably have to make another class that like inherits the attack card for specific spell stuff. I wanted to see if I can just whip something up that works right away. You know what? Why doesn't that work right away? Let's try to figure it out before I like refactor the code to be more scalable. Let's see. So there's just something wrong with the spell card. I'll go to the... Let me go check out the prefab of the spell. Firebolt. Okay. The damage. Oh, it's because the range is nothing. Okay, let's just do like 5. Damage 3. And the card type is attack. And the card enum. This is a firebolt, right? Yeah. Wow, this was all messed up. Okay. That explains a lot. I don't know what the ID should be yet. Card name. I think that'll get populated on its own. Okay, let's redo this. Try this thing. There's my scene switcher. There it is. Okay. Now, give this another shot, shall we? Let's just move a target upwards. Am I in range? Not yet. Move a little closer. I should be in range. I am now. Okay, because the range on the card is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, there is a fireball. Funnily enough, okay. But it's totally going in the wrong direction. Let's see where it's going. At some point, it's supposed to shoot. But I don't think it's... I guess it's because it's not repeating. So... in that case... add a little more code to give it a direction. A vector direction and... velocity, I guess. I can go ahead and just look at the script. Let's go see what the create projectile script does. Maybe I just copy this, actually. Nah, I don't really need to copy it. This doesn't really do anything. Anything I can't do myself with a couple lines of code. Let's see. The rigid body. Let's see what the time does. Well, that's the repeat time. Why is it twice? Let's see. Looks the method name and time seconds, then repeatedly every repeat rate seconds. Okay. Create instances true. And there's a reference to the rigid body because we're instantiating the rigid body. Let me see what that's all about. Fire. Casting fire. The rigid body is attached to... Where is the rigid body? It should be attached to this thing. Oh, it's up here. Okay. Projectile script. Oh, snaps. This is the script that I should have been looking at. Okay, I gotta look at this thing. It instantiates the explosion prefab. And the explosion prefab... Okay. It's doing a couple of things. I have to figure out how it all figures together. So we have a casting fire game object, but this is actually not the money object. It's actually this thing, the projectile fire prefab. It looks like the other one is just an animation on the side. I wish I put it all into one prefab, but I guess it's more modular this way. Capture. So then this has a reference to the actual fireball and instantiates that, and all this does is make this initial animation, and then this actually is a fireball animation. Okay, I gotta figure out how this figures together. Let's see, we instantiate the fireball at this position. And the question is, when do we instantiate this thing? I guess it just turns on. This has a script on start, get component, and velocity on collision, enter. Okay. I am going to copy this. It looks like we need a reference to the casting fire prefab and the fireball. Okay. So this is like the startup animation, and the fireball is actually what gets shot. So I gotta restructure a little bit of things here. Fireball. So what is that reference to again? Projectile fire. Okay. And we got multiple fire projectiles. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's rewrite those enums in dictionaries, since I kind of have a better idea what's going on. And I think we could just do enum casting fire like that, and then we'll just have like it mirrored. All we have is 4 at the moment, so let's just do 4 for both of them. And then I gotta go back to my Spellmaster. IDE error occurred. Okay, let's just recompile these protobufs real quick. Then Spellmaster's over here. Let's go ahead and add. We gotta make another serializable dictionary also while we're at it. Let's do that real quick. Casting fire dictionary. And this is gonna be casting fire. Alright. Yeah. Let's add the drawer. Casting fire dictionary. Go to our Spellmaster, casting fire dictionary. Casting fire prefabs, fire spell We'll rename this to Fire Spell Prefabs also. Alright. And let's just fix this. Whoa. It wants it to be in a namespace. Okay. You're modifying a script while in play mode? Alright, let's just turn this off. Go back to the attack card. What's this attack script? I don't know if I'm gonna... Oh, it's that. It's a proto buff. Okay. Alright, let's go ahead and pre-roll some ads again. Give me a second. I'll be back in a minute. So in here we gotta do something a little more sophisticated. It looks like we gotta instantiate Fireball, and the Fireball. No way, we gotta instantiate. Let's comment this out for a second. And are we doing anything with the instance? Yeah, we're saying it to the parent, which kind of makes sense. Okay. But this should be... I gotta set the references before I forget. Spellmaster. None of this saved. Fire spell scriptable object. I guess I changed everything. Okay. Let's do projectile fire. Add another one. There's only... Oh, I guess there's only 3. Okay. Now let's add the casting fire objects. Casting fire. Ball? What happened there? Let's see. Casting fire dictionary. You're modifying a script. Well, I turned that off. Okay. What the heck? These enums are wrong. Ball. Is that what I didn't define that in here. Let me look at the reference. Ball 1, 2, 3. That is interesting. Why did it get converted? Oh well, let's just... I guess the proto buff did that for some reason. I'm gonna recompile the proto buff. Otherwise, we'll just roll with it. Yeah, that's just the proto buff doing something funky. Okay, let's just roll with it. Casting fireball. Dang it, how did that happen? Maybe I'll just rename these. Be a good name for these. Casting fireball 1, 2. Let's just name it casting. I'm curious to see what that will compile into. Let's find out. What in the world? Now it's just one? I am kind of confused. Okay. The proto buffs are doing proto buffing things. Let's see. What the hell? What the heck? Why is it converting into that? Let me ask ChatGPT what the heck's going on. Why the naming is really weird. Like, you can see it's coming out to underscore. It should be coming out to something like that. Why is GRPC naming it underscore 1, 2, 3? WTF. Yeah. This is how GRPC deals with enums protocol buffers. Naming could be a way to circumvent potential naming conflicts or restrictions in C#. Enum members cannot start with a digit. But why are they starting? Is there a naming conflict somewhere? This can't be a naming conflict, can it? There we go. Okay, casting works for some reason. I'm not gonna question it. That's fine. Let's add them in. Casting 3. Oh, there's actually 4 of these guys. Add the 4th one. Was there 4? Yeah, okay. Okay. Now let's go back to the code and then... We're gonna instantiate the fireball this time, and the position is gonna be just the... We gotta get the unit, so let's get the unit's position. I think we just have a reference to the unit. Transform. Unit. Transform that rotation. Alright. Let's try it out. I just want a cool fireball animation for my wizard. Let's make it happen. Okay, let's walk up a little bit so we get close enough. Am I in range? Transform child out of bounds. On collision, enter. It's trying to get the transform of the child, but why is it trying to get the transform of the child? Let's see. The projectile we're dealing with is this guy, and it's trying to get this guy. Which shouldn't be an issue. Hash doesn't exist. Oh, really? Let's see what's going on. Okay, maybe we could just cast it again. Let's go up and then boom. Okay, there's a little fire, little smoke appearing, a little smoke of smoke. I see stuff happening, and then they despawn. Blowing myself up here. Okay, you know what? That's cool. We'll figure it out. I'm gonna go ahead and raid somebody. I gotta get some food. Shall we raid somebody? Shall we, my friends? Thanks for watching the stream. Let's see what's going on. Oh, my DJ friend's on. Anthony writes code. We got some... look at that. Who doesn't love the cute anime waifu? Graphic designers. Let's see. Software development. It's finally Friday. How about we raid this guy? What do you think? I just need to make sure that his stream's in English. It's got to be because everyone's talking English in the chat. Okay. Shall we, my friends? Let's do this. Get ready. Put your raid hats on. Give them a warm welcome. All right. Do raid Blue Glulu. See you later, Erica. Blue Glulu. All right. Cheers, my friends.